True back bar and direct draw lines are part of our extensive lineup of award-winning, best-in-class Underbar refrigeration products. Featuring rugged construction, attractive appearance, and oversized and balanced refrigeration systems, True's Underbar equipment is designed to exceed the performance and reliability demands of bars and restaurants. Both TBBs and TDDs are available in 4 sizes, corresponding to the unit's half-barrel K capacity. Units are available with either a heavy-duty, wear-resistant laminated black vinyl front and sides with matching black aluminum back, or all stainless steel exterior. All units feature a heavy-gauge stainless steel countertop. Doors are fitted with 12-inch long recessed handles, as well as easily removable gaskets and locks. Glass door options are available as well and feature energy-efficient, low-E thermal glass with aluminum frames. Direct draws come equipped with 3-inch diameter stainless steel insulated beer columns designed to help keep beer cold and at proper temperature from keg to tap. A club top option is also available for chilling glasses and mugs. The interior features heavy-gauge, durable galvanized steel walls and a stainless steel floor. Back bar units come with 2 adjustable, heavy-duty black PVC-coated wire shelves per door. High illumination LED lighting comes standard. All units are backed by our industry-leading warranty. True's commitment to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, provide colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's Back Bar and Direct Draw Series,